This is John with WTI. And when it comes to go easy, simple, not complicated at all in the kitchen, I'm your guy. And this is where this Kraft macaroni and cheese comes into place. So the other day, actually yesterday, I was having not a whole day of classes. For me, getting up and going cooking something 20, 30 minutes, it will be really comfortable. So this is where guys like this comes in clutch. Easy. Water, you put into bowl in this, you add a little bit of milk or whatever you would like to add, and you have the whole seasoning of the cheese and you make the sauce in it and you just mix it. Time less than 10 minutes. Easy, uncomplicated, and tasty. Like for me, having a nice meal so I can keep going with my day, it's really important when it comes to situations like this. And having a guy like this with this macaroni and cheese is a lifesaver. So, this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point.